This is the bastard rotisserie skewer pack. This pack is weighing almost 1 kilogram. Size 47 centimeters long, 15 centimeters wide, 5 centimeters thick. That's the package. Unpacking it, we found ourselves 6 skewers, 2 plates, size of the plates 14.5 centimeters, on widest points 16.5 centimeters. It will fit nearly all rotisseries. 2 centimeter diameter. Skewers lengthwise 45 centimeters with 5 millimeter skewers on the widest point. The maximum capacity you can use on the skewer is about 33 centimeters. How does the system work? Click it in on the end, and as you can see, pop the handle in a stand and you're done. Pop it in, lock it, there you go. 6 skewers spinning around.